A ball of mass m, let this be a ball of mass m and a ball of mass 2m. Initial velocity of ball of mass m is v. Initial velocity of ball of mass 2m is 0. These two balls had a perfectly inelastic collision. So after the collision, the mass m and the mass 2m move together. As they move together, let this be the velocity of the system v1. So from conservation of linear momentum, m into v plus 2m into 0 is equals to m plus 2m into v1. So v1 is equals to v by 3. So the velocity of the system after the collision is v by 3.